Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds great, right? In this video, we'll explore 5 amazing AI tools. These tools can change your financial future in 2026. First up, ChatGPT. This tool writes content quickly. You can create articles, scripts, or even social media posts. Beginners can offer freelancing services like copywriting. It's simple and effective. Next, we have Canva. Design beautiful thumbnails, logos, and even digital products. With its user-friendly interface, anyone can create stunning graphics. You can sell these designs online for a profit. Now, let's talk about CapCut. This tool makes video editing a breeze. Create engaging videos for social media or YouTube. Use its features to enhance your content easily. Share these videos and monetize them. Moving on to the fourth tool, Jasper AI. This tool helps generate marketing copy and blog posts. It understands your audience and creates tailored messages. This saves time and boosts your online presence. Finally, there's Shopify. If you want to sell products, this platform is perfect. It helps set up an online store quickly. You can start a dropshipping business with minimal investment. To recap, use ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, CapCut for editing, Jasper AI for copy, and Shopify for selling. Each tool is beginner-friendly and accessible. Ready to start earning with AI? Try out these tools today and unlock your potential. Don't wait, transform your financial future now.